Well, me and Davey have decided to have a chillax day, inflated fetus number 2, and yeah, we're going to explore the River Orr. Hey up, let's see if I can show you first. Just make his head out in the water. He's hopefully we might see some seals up and down here. I noticed one yesterday. We're resting up on these shingle banks yesterday on the way in. Yeah, we'll see what we can see up and down here, and I want to get to the lighthouse as well, because there's looks like some World War II things there, so that'll be interesting to go and see. Yeah, David, he's raring to go. We'll fire up the engine, Davey. We're gonna go. Yeah, these are remains of military test bunkers, and apparently there's a lot of unexploded ordnance that's scattered around it. You can only go in there by guided tours, so this is as close as I'm going to get, but I'll show you a quick video of it.
In the ruins of our love, days gone fading, hearts still aching. Control it, I can't control it. I know, keep pretending that we could never make it. I know you know it, I know you know it, I know. In the late night,
it might be Madcat, but I ain't dodging no bombs. So I can just rabbit run out there.
in the moonlight, and I can't get out.
Taking a break, watching the world go by. La boy.